want to talk about some of the side hustles that I've tried and whether they've worked for me or not. The first one is playing games to make money. Yes, I have been able to make money through playing games, but it's been a very small amount. What I noticed is when you earn a certain amount, it will basically sort of kind of cut you off and it's really hard to make any more money. The other one is surveys. So I have made a little bit of money on surveys, but to be honest, it depends on which country you're in, whether they're worth your time or not. Personally, for me, in the country I'm in, it's not worthwhile. But I have seen people in, say, Australia or America earn some pretty decent money, like $70 a week doing surveys. Another one is blogging, and I did that for quite a long time. I feel it can be worthwhile if you choose the right platform to drive traffic to it. It can just take a very long time to get enough traffic to earn through ad revenue. So I think it's probably better to sort of think of ways of promoting, say, a digital product or a course first, or say affiliate marketing. So this is another one, is affiliate marketing. So for me, I have made money with affiliate marketing. The pros and cons of affiliate marketing is, though, sometimes you can't get the money out until you've earned a certain amount. Some affiliate plans you can get the money out straight away, so it's definitely worth looking at which sort of company you're promoting. And some of them have good commissions and some of them don't have good commissions. Another option is MRR courses, and I've had a little bit of success with this. But the thing is, you are competing with anyone else that has bought that MRR course. You also don't own the course, so the URL could be changed. Say if they change platform, you can also have the price change. Say if there was a community with the MRR course and then it gets taken away, you don't control it. So that is something definitely to be aware of, and they can also be quite pricey, except for the Inner Bloom. I think the Inner Bloom is great value. Hi. But another great option would be digital products. Digital products are a great option, and I have made money with digital products. What I like about these over MRR courses is that you can have full control over them. So whether the URL changes, say they change platforms, or say they want to change the pricing, or if there was a community and now there isn't community combined with that MRR course, that's very different, because a digital product, you can have full control over it. So ultimately, I feel like digital products are the ultimate sort of business asset that is worth selling, unless you're going to create your own course, which is another option. It can just take a long time, say, compared to creating one digital product. If you want to save time, you can buy pre-done digital products with a PLR or MRR rights, and I will leave that link down below. That's an affiliate link down below. So if you do purchase it through, you're going to sort of support my channel. And if you are having trouble selling your digital products, I also have a guide to help you do that, because that is personally one of the biggest things I feel. Whatever business model you do that can be really, really tricky is actually how to do sales. Another side hustle option is building up a YouTube channel. The thing is, it can either be a very short time that you get monetized with ads, or it can take you a really long time. So as a side hustle, I think it's better to see the ad revenue as sort of more of a long-term goal, or not guaranteed unless you get early on success. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have to be a goal. Obviously, you can monetize your channel with affiliate marketing and digital products, or your own course as well. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you tried any side hustles that you've really enjoyed, leave them down in the comments below so other people know about them.